go out to dance?
Yeah.
You want to dance?
Mama.
You want Mama to dance? This is how you exercise like cat boy. Cat boy's jumping all around. He's got super speed. He can take the lead. Do 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 do. This is how you exercise like Gecko. Gecko always wants to catch the bus. Picks it in the air, puts it over there, then he'll do a crazy thing for us. Oh, you want to see them on the TV?
Dada.
It is Dada.
Oh.
Oh.
Outside.
Motorcycle.
Yeah.
Loud.
Loud.
It's loud.
Juju.
There's Juju.
Juju.
Right there.
Dada.
Yeah.
Dada.
You want to come up?
Let's not climb up with Daddy while you're all wet.
Cup.
That's Mama's cup.
Cup.
Cup. Hey, bud. No. I have hot coffee up here.
Dada. Dada. Oh.
Oh.
Juju.
That's Juju's. That's right.
Cup. Cup.
Coffee.
Dada. Dada.
What did you do to your hand? What's that? On your hand? Oh.
Bow.
Bow?
Can.
Yeah.
Can.
Can. You want to go play outside?
Cup.
Coffee.
Bow. Cup.
Parker,
Cup.
do you want to go play?
Cup.
Yeah, we're not going to do coffee right now.
Juju.
Juju's, that's right. Hey, Parker, can you say Papa Steve?
Yeah.
Let me see her. Can you say Papa Steve?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to say it?
Cup. Cup. Juju. Cup. 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 Cup.
Coffee, yeah.
You want to say bye-bye? You want to say bye-bye?
He says say bye-bye to who?
Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Okay.